Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add an Excel spreadsheet onto your Wix.com website. So first off, of course, you'll need an Excel spreadsheet. Now, there's two methods you can do this with. So first off, get your spreadsheet ready. I just have a random table here with random values as well. You'll need to download the spreadsheet and by pressing this, right? And then let's go to the Wix website editor. Now from here, you can go to media. On media, you can upload media. Give it a second to load. Now I'm going to upload my Excel spreadsheet here. Now give it a second. Now it's uploaded like this, right? We can click add to page like this and it'll show up as a file here. And when a user click on this file, let me show you, let me preview it real quick. Give it a second. Now when you preview it, when someone click on it, it'll download the Excel spreadsheet like that, right? But this is as far as it goes when it comes to native Wix. You can add your you can is try like use this table as a reference, and then you can make your own table in Wix. I'm pretty sure there's a table elements here as well, but that's cumbersome, right? It's pretty repetitive as well. So I'm going to show you a alternative. This is called a table convert. It'll convert your Excel table into an HTML embed element. What that means basically is that it'll automatically convert your table into something you can put to any website you want. So let's try it. Let's load a file and then let's upload the Excel file we got earlier. And you'll see here that it'll convert it into something like this, right? Now don't mind it. This is just for formatting. But you see that now we have a table design such as this. And you can change what the table size is. You can also undo, redo, transpose. You can clear, you can delete blank, you can duplicate, you can capitalize. See, like that. You can also lowercase, you can uppercase, uh, all sorts. There's a lot of here. You can customize. For example, I don't want price. I want it to be discount, for example. So I'm going to do price and I'm going to substitute it with discount. And I'm going to click replace all. Now you see that price will be changed to discount, right? Now, once you're happy with this table design, you just have to scroll down and you'll see here that this is the HTML table here. Now you can copy and paste. Now just go back to the Wix website editor, click on the add elements button, and then click on embed code. On embed code, go to embed HTML, paste your code here, click on update. Now give it a second to load. And now you have a HTML code and a table right here on your Wix.com site.